Hello everyone, in this video we're going to explore the triangle congruence by SSS and SAS theorems. Alright, the first one we're going to talk about the side or SSS postulate. If triangle A, B, C and triangle D, E, F have the side length AB right here congruent to DE, BC congruent to EF, AC congruent to DF, then two triangles are congruent by SSS, right? SSS congruence requires the congruence of all three sides. If all the sides are congruent, then all of the angles must be congruent. The converse is not true. There is no such thing as a congruence. Right? This one only applies for similar triangles. I'm going to move on to the second one. Side angle side SAS. If triangle ABC and triangle DEF have side length AB congruent to DE, AC congruent to DF, and angle A right here congruent to angle D. Note that angle A between two side lengths right here, right? Angle D between two side lengths right here, right? That's why we call SAS. The angle must be between two side lengths, right? Keep that in mind. Then two triangles congruent by SAS, right? Now, SAS congruence requires the congruence of two sides and the angle between those sides. That's called included angle. There is no such as a congruence, right? It must be SAS, right? The congruent angle must be between the two congruent sides. Now let's move on to example number 1. We're going to prove triangles congruent using SSS. Now given LM congruent to NB right here, LP congruent to NM, this guy right here. We need to prove triangle LMN congruent to triangle NPL, right? So we always start with the given thing, right? So we're going to copy this one down, right? LN right here congruent to LN by reflexive property. Then triangle LMN congruent to triangle NPL by SSS, right? Now let's move on to example number 2. We're going to prove triangles congruent using SAS, right? What other information do you need to prove triangle DEF congruent to triangle FGD, right? DEF is going to be this guy right here, right? And FGD is going to be this guy right here, right? We're going to use SAS, right? So, given EF right here congruent to GD, right? And DF congruent to DF by reflexive property, right? Now, we need to prove that these two triangles congruent by SAS, we need an angle between two sides, right? So, we have this side already used, right? This side already used, right? And we need this angle right here, right? Similarly, for the second triangle, we have this side already used, right? This side already used, right? We need this angle right here, right? The angle must be between two sides, right? Now, example number 3. Identify congruent triangles. Would you use SSS SAS to prove the triangles congruent. Now question A. We have this side length right here congruent to this side length, right? We have this angle right here congruent to this angle, right? We have this side congruent to this side, right? So these two triangles congruent by SAS, right? Because two pairs of corresponding sides and their included angles are congruent, right? Now, question B. We have this side congruent to this side, right? This side congruent to this side, right? But this angle right here is the angle between two sides right here, right? We don't have this one, right? But we have this one. So, we're gonna say not enough information, right? Now, question C. This side congruent to this side. This side congruent to this side. This side congruent to this side, right? So we're going to use SSS, right? Because three pairs of corresponding sides are congruent, right? And the last one, we have this side right here congruent to this side, right? This side congruent to this side, right? This side congruent to this side, right? So these two triangles right here are congruent by SSS, right? Now we can use SAS in this situation. Why? Because we have this side right here congruent to this side congruent to this side, and this angle right here congruent to this angle, right? Because these are vertical angles and they are included angles between two sides, right? So we can use SAS, right? And it's your time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.